guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing an airsoft gun that's brand new. And also, if you haven't seen my posts in a while, I've been on a vacation to Wisconsin Dells. Very fun. I went to Great Wolf Lodge and it was a lot of fun. But while we were there and exploring Wisconsin Dells, I found this thing that was in my price budget. An airsoft 1911. It's a mini 1911, made by UK Arms. I mean, it's an airsoft gun, and I love it. And I haven't shot in it yet. I mean, it's very quiet in real time. Yeah, let's just fire it. I'm just gonna load up with a simple 2 rounds. I have to look for airsoft BBs. There's one. Oh, no. It's a broken one. Here's one. So we're going to be loaded up with 2 rounds of airsoft 6mm BBs. Plastic BBs. And, yeah, let's just do it. Wow. Okay. Guys, I have no idea what the heck just happened. There isn't, it's not as heavy as my other airsoft guns. Let me just, okay, it is as powerful as an actual airsoft gun. I was so confused. But this is as powerful as an actual airsoft gun. Yeah, and even they decided to add a little extra grip right there for that. Yeah, that is my UK Arms 6mm airsoft 1911. And yeah, that's basically that video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.